Hi everyone, welcome to CB Games. Woo!
不是吧
So this thing, right? Make it
You're
bigger.
not supposed to talk.
Sorry.
Brown poop. I know for sure that the first word is cookie.
Yeah. Correct.
Then what's the second word though? What the heck?
Oh!
Ah!
I don't know, man.
You know why? Because Wei Xiang got no childhood.
2, 4, 6, 8.
Come on, guys. Cheng Yann, you're close.
No, I don't know what's the other word anymore.
Wow.
What is this?
No, it's not. It was fortress.
I admit okay, it's not a bad drawing.
Thank you.
Shit, I'm last. What? What?
What the? How?
Yeah.
Oh.
4 letters. Oh,
Aiyah,
I'm last.
Yeah, I
Oh
need-
no, I'm not.
I need to go above bell, that's what I need to do. I just need to go above bell. Come on.
I'm not gonna let you win.
Hey, PG. What the hell is this? Oh, Sherilyn!
No. Wait, wrong.
PG, please.
I'm PG. Yes. Cheng is PG, right? Yeah. See?
Yay!
What is this?
Oh!
Thanks, Julian, for your answer. Dude, Julian, do you know that you can see the amount of letters on top?
Oh!
Sorry, I have to do this because I have to draw the exact same thing.
Huh?
You're not drawing anything that is making sense now.
Oh, this is a head, by the way.
Yeah!
What is ahead?
This thing is a head. I'm lagging, I can't draw properly. Okay. But focus on this. Focus on this. Okay, do you need a better example?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god. You didn't help at all.
What is that?
That's coming out of the ass.
Oh, it's my turn!
Okay, now I just need to get above coffee.
Okay.
I need to win coffee, man.
Yeah, boy.
What the hell is this?
Coffee. Almost.
Okay, I shall erase this. How do you erase? Oh.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
this
Good
sword
job, good
bad. Come on.
Drawing
Shit.
now. He's drawing now.
What is this?
Yes.
What is that? Oh, wait.
Oh,
Yeah.
one thing I
Wait,
think.
I didn't get it!
Bell is so funny. Bell was so confident.
Wait, that's not the point. That's not the point. That's not the point.
Okay. I don't know what's happening anymore.
Yeah! Yeah, boy.
Oh shit. Shit! Oh, I better start choosing my TikTok, man.
Hey.
What is that? Sounds like someone who killed someone. Whoa. Yeah.
Eh?
Oh my god, is this my life changer? Is this my life changing round?
Yes!
Oh, life changing round, man.
Seriously, I got that word.
Not really.
Oh, sian. 9 letters. Oh my god.
Okay, let's try this. I'm lagging so badly.
Yes.
What? Oh, I know. Yeah, boy.
Wait.
How do I make it more obvious? Okay. Let's go, Julian.
I don't get it.
When do you see the moon?
Nightclub? No!
Julian is doing a TikTok.
yes.
Boy,
Come on.
Okay, okay, this one very easy, I think. It should be easy. Okay, I use a different color so it's easier to see. Okay, boy, last one. You got this. Okay,
Yes, I
wait,
got it.
focus on this. What is this? No, you got it. Yeah. It's not combined, sorry, what am I talking about?
Right. What the
Oh, I know. What is that called again? Yeah, boy.
Iron bomb.
I'm only 20 points behind.
Goodbye, Wei Xiang.
Oh no.
What is this?
What is this?
Oh yes! Yes.
Neck.
Shit, I spelled neck with a K in front. How bad can I get?
What is this? PG.
Hey.
Oh gosh!
Yes! Yes.
Julian, you have answered it.
Oh! How bad can I get?
Julian again.
Julian, you should know this, man.
A race! Oh!
How do I delete? How do I
Yes.
delete?
Choose the dustbin.
Okay. Oh yes. Okay. This person. Okay. And then many.
What?
What the hell?
Aha!
Okay then. Oh, I don't know how to draw this. Wait,
What
what's my
is it?
word again? Then
What?
what the hell?
So Julian, you only
Julian,
need.
you can have drawn the.
What the? 3 legs. 3-leg man.
Wait,
3-legged man 啊
who's right? Oh, okay.
Whoa.
Oh!
He's fine.
Yes!
Shit. What is this? Oh, okay.
Wait, I forgot.
Because you can't really see him.
I don't know what
It was me.
What the hell is this?
you know.
Oh.
I don't know what's the name for it.
I don't know how to spell. Oh my god.
Yay!
I know what is this, but I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, I don't know how to spell. Holy shit. Wait, how do you
Oh.
spell?
Okay, everyone's trying to spell. It's damn funny.
Shit.
Yes.
Yeah, I forgot to spell. I give up. Ah, I give up.
Yes. Goodbye, Julian.
Oh! Sudoku!
Oh my god.
Oh, Alright, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the CB games too. We just played. Scribbles.io tell us what to play next because we are very bored at home. So like, comment, subscribe, and bye.
Bye.
Do we leave now? Oh, right.